Instagram Music not showing all songs when you search? Don't worry, let's fix it right now. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Now tap the plus icon and go to the Reels section. Now choose your video, then tap the audio option. Now search for the song you want. Double check the song name and make sure there are no extra spaces, symbols or wrong words in the search bar. Now clear the text and search again properly. And if the song actually exists, it should appear immediately like this. Just select it and upload your reel. And this is the real fix for Instagram Music search not working. But if the song still doesn't appear, just go back to your profile, tap the hamburger menu and open account privacy. Now from here, you have to make sure your account is set to private because some Instagram Music is licensed and doesn't work on public account. So after switching to private, you have to go back and search for the song again. So I hope you will find your favorite song, but if the song still doesn't appear, it likely doesn't exist in Instagram Music library or isn't available in your region. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.